Arizona allows people to carry guns in ways that many other states do not. The state has some of the least strict firearm laws in the country, but even though the rules are more relaxed, there are still important laws you need to follow when carrying a concealed weapon. Knowing when you can legally carry a concealed firearm and what counts as concealed under Arizona law is important. If you don't understand these rules, you could face serious criminal charges. Learning the basics will help you stay on the right side of the law while exercising your rights. Since July 2010, Arizona gun laws have allowed adults to carry concealed firearms without a permit. If you are 21 or older and legally allowed to own a gun under state and federal law, you can carry a concealed handgun without any license or registration. Arizona recognizes two main ways to carry a firearm. Open carry. Your firearm or holster is clearly visible to others. You must be at least 18 years old and legally allowed to possess a gun. Concealed carry. Your firearm is not readily visible to others. You must be at least 21 years old and legally allowed to possess a gun. Constitutional carry does not cancel out federal restrictions or specific Arizona laws about prohibited locations. You still cannot carry in certain places, even without a permit requirement. When you interact with law enforcement officers, you must inform them if you are carrying a concealed weapon. This applies during traffic stops and other official contacts. The officer can temporarily take your firearm during the interaction for safety reasons. If you fail to notify an officer or refuse to comply with their instructions, you may face criminal charges. You must meet certain requirements before you can legally carry a concealed weapon in Arizona. Even though the state allows constitutional carry, not everyone qualifies. Age requirements. You must be at least 21 years old to carry a concealed handgun without a permit. If you are between 18 and 20 years old, you can possess and openly carry firearms in most situations. Legal status. You must be lawfully present in the United States. If you are unlawfully present, you cannot carry a concealed weapon. Prohibited possessors. You cannot be classified as a prohibited possessor under Arizona law. This status prevents you from carrying any firearm, concealed or otherwise. If you were arrested, questioned, or investigated for a concealed weapon charge in Arizona, you should contact Phoenix Criminal Lawyers Criminal Defense Team. Call 602-600-0447 to schedule a private consultation about your case. The team can review your situation and explain your legal options.